Hello, class. Welcome to week 7, second to the last week before the course is over. Of course, first thing to start out with is just make sure that you guys are keeping on top of your work, not falling behind. It's just kind of the nature of it, right? These 8-week courses go really, really quick, and it's amazing that we're already second to the last week. And so, making sure that you have the time each week set aside. Making sure that you're making progress and doing a little bit of each day on working on your assignments, doing the readings that you need to. And so I really want to emphasize, even beyond this week, the most important piece, most important component of the course, and that is the critical assignment that's going to be coming up. And it's a culmination of all those other portions of the paper that you've written. So again, take my comments, take my suggestions, make sure you're reading those assignment prompts very, very carefully. That's one of the biggest, I think, encouragements I can give to you as a class is read it carefully, answer the questions carefully, and please, 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 when you submit your final paper, make sure that it does adhere properly to APA formatting, okay? And I've watched a lot of you guys making the corrections and moving towards just getting better and better at that each paper that I've seen. So make sure you're reading those carefully, answering the questions accordingly, and yeah, making sure that this week there's a little bit less work this week, and just using that time as we gear up for next week, week 8, doing your critical assignment paper, okay? So really quick, starting up here at the top here, let's jump into this. CAPS chapter 6 through 10, so deadly sins and saving virtues. You'll be pretty much finishing out CAPS book as you guys finish going through it. You will be finishing out CAPS book as you go through it this week. And again, I hope you've enjoyed that read. It's really, really brilliant material that Donald Capps has put together, and that as he mirrors Eric Erickson, and also as he references John Bunyan's book, The Pilgrim's Progress, at the very end, and makes some great applications with that. Another fantastic read. Again, you'll be going through Keller's book, and you'll be going through chapters 11 through 16 of Keller's book, and also in Keller's book you will be finishing out his text as well this week. Dr. Frederick has an article of spiritual transformation, honoring spiritual traditions and psychotherapy. Fantastic article that was written, and this one's exceptionally important because let me tell you right now, you need to know that this is going to be connected directly to the discussion board, okay? So this article is going to directly help you address this discussion board. So if I'm getting emails about people asking, hey, I don't understand here what this target, tactics, and telos is referring to, well, that's already going to tell me that they probably haven't spent much time going through Frederick's article there, okay? So just get ahead of that game, make sure that you connect those ones together, okay? The videos that you have this week, the spiritual and healing traditions, is going to be these 3 videos that's listed below. The first 2 are Tim Keller's, and great videos. Theology of the Cross, walking with a limp, just the difficulties, right, of walking in that Christian faith with just a true and genuine and sincere Christian faith, walking through and recognizing and walking within those difficulties of life. And then also how to change deeply, another great one on spiritual transformation, as again, our weekly theme this week is sanctification, one becoming sanctified and understanding that process before God, right? And then N.T. Wright, After You Believe, another one about walking faithfully, walking with character. So some 3 fantastic videos for this week. Make sure you spend time and incorporate those with the discussion board, but also make note of those too for your final paper. And here for the discussion board, let me go over it really, really quick, and then I'll get you guys on your way. How do these atonement categories, and he's going to list them, right? Target, tactics, and telos relate to the categories of alienation, condemnation, enslavement, and depravity. So these are the 4 that we had looked at last week. And the target, tactics, and telos are the ones that are going to be addressed again by Frederick. So you're going to have to look at how do those 3 relate to these 4 other categories. Right? What is their connection? How do they compare? How do they contrast? Right? What is the relationship between them? And you're going to have to dig through those materials, go through the readings to kind of come up to some conclusions. Second part, how do these concepts relate to reconciliation, atoning sacrifice, redemption, and righteousness? Or righteous, right? And these are four different categories, theological categories. Reconciliation, atoning sacrifice, redemption, and righteous or righteousness are four new ones in addition to the four previous ones. So you're going to have to also connect them to these four additional theological categories. So you're going to have to do a little bit of background work on those and then talk about, again, how do target, tactics, and telos relate to these categories of reconciliation, atoning sacrifice, redemption, and righteous or righteousness. So you have two different parts of the discussion board that you're going to do. 250 word minimum. Make sure that your posts are there by Thursday, your replies by Sunday. If you need anything, please let me know. And again, keep up the good work. Keep on working hard. Course is almost over. And that final piece, that most important piece of your critical paper is what we're looking forward to at this time. You have the week 7 discussion board. You'll have the week 8 discussion board. But the biggest piece by far is going to be that critical assignment coming up at week 8. So be thinking about that. Be looking ahead. Check over the instructions for it because that is a very, very important piece of work for this course. In fact, if you do not pass that paper, you're not going to be able to be successful in the course, right? So that's why so much has been leading up to that, getting feedback on these smaller pieces of the portions of the paper, making sure that you're going to be successful in that final paper, which it seems like everybody has more than enough information through their previous papers to make sure they're successful in that one. So if you guys need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out. Blessings to all of you, and I'll be engaging with you guys in the discussion board. Your week 6 discussion boards and papers have all been graded, so if you need anything, let me know. And I'll be seeing all of you soon. Have a great week.